It's been a while since I've been down here at Fenney Springs, but we just had a big thunderstorm, followed by many other thunderstorms before that one, and the water is very high. But the sun's out. And it's a nice time to walk the trail. Just this morning they had the grand opening of the new Fenney Rec Center. Well, it's not new, but it was renovated. They put in some pretty cool equipment. You can see it online at thevillages.com if you want to see what they did. I didn't come down here this morning though. I'm down here now after the storm. It's very pretty here. Caught a picture of a video of a squirrel earlier, and I'm posting as well. That's the same day, just a couple minutes ago. Just a little squirrel. Lots of those down here. So I'm giving you a little spin around. Very pretty. This nature trail is about 1,000 steps long. That's how I measured it on my Fitbit. I'll go a little further. Oh, I see more than squirrels over there. What is that? They're near those benches. I don't know. It looks like a groundhog, but something with a long tail. No, that's not a groundhog. I don't know what that is. It's in the bushes now. Out into the sunlight. They have all these little stations along the way here. This is the next one. Nature Trail, station number 6. And yeah, that water's high. That's as high as I've seen it in the last couple months. I guess I'll stop here. Another beautiful day in the Villages.